What up guys, so you wanna grow a beard. You've probably seen my beard transformation and you're like, I want a beard. Well, fear not fellas, I got you. Just came from work, UPS. I love this job is the best. Everything's the best, great pay, great environment. I love it so much. I recommend you should work. Okay, first step, nice pair of face. Second step, Minoxidil. I'm using Kirkland Minoxidil. It does not matter. Just make sure the ingredient is Minoxidil. I know there's Minoxidil 5%, 3%, maybe even 10%. Just stick with the 5%. It's also a lot of different type. We got Rogaine, which is foam. We got pill version. We got different type of brands. There's cheaper brand, more expensive brand. You want to fill it up to that line 2 times a day. And if you guys have Rogaine, I'm pretty sure you just fill it up. For example, let's say this at the top. You just spray on the top. That will count as 1. Smear it across your face. And that's it. Step 1. You got your Minoxidil. The most important part, Minoxidil. You will not see any results without the Minoxidil. So you got this out the way. Also, it's a roller. So it's not necessary, but it will help a ton. Trust me, guys. So the one I'm using currently is a 0.5 millimeter. There's a lot of different sizes. So when it comes to that, it does not matter. Alright, so 0.5. I started off with a 0.25, and I did that for a few months. So guys, if you haven't bought any rollers, it really don't matter. I recommend the 0.5. Go any higher than that. You want to take it from, let's say, as you would 2 times a week to 1 time a week, 1 time every other week. Is any higher than a 0.5, because that could damage your skin. And like guys, you will grow a beard, but you don't want to use it to hide the scarring. Fun fact, this is not even mine. This is my stepdad. I put my stepdad on. Put it on. Whoa. Now you got your 3 main ingredients. Nice face for the beard. The most crucial one, Minoxidil, don't matter. This is Kirkland Minoxidil Amazon. It comes in like this. You might as well just get the 6-month supply. They got 1 month supply, 3 month supply, 6 month supply. Get the 6 month supply, trust me. Don't matter, Rogaine, all the same shit. And it's fairly cheap, guys. It's like what, $30 for the 6 month? This is about $10, $15 on Amazon. 3 crucial ingredients. Face and fucking magic sauce. This right here is Roy's for the face. Of course, some DERMA roll. Now let's get started. Before applying Minoxidil, or before rolling your face, you want to, on a clean face, wash your face. Bro, wash that face, baby. Get it nice. Oh fuck, got my eyes. That wash shit. Oh fuck, I got my eyes. Stop. Now use a face towel. Obviously you want to dry it. Do not use those stinky ass fucking bathroom towel that you use for your butt crack. By the way guys, the soap I use, the bar, it's a face bar, okay? I know some of you buffoons probably gonna think that soap I just use in my face. It's the same one I use for my cock and for my butt. Nope. Unless you want to. Alright, now before I derma roll, let me get into it some more, okay? Oop. Clean it first. Just rinse some water on it. And when you do clean it after, clean it with like alcohol. Or like at least run it with water. Now derma roll. How many times should I do it? 2 times a week, like I said. If you have a bigger needle, like a 0.1, I mean, like a 1 millimeter, I'd say maybe one every 2 weeks. 0.5 and a 0.25 2 times a week, weekly. It doesn't really matter how you do it. Just make sure between the first and the second time you do it, there's some space in the middle. You don't want to do it on, let's say, Monday, and then the very next day you do it again. Too much damaging on the skin too quick. So for example, I'll do it on Monday, and my second time will be on Friday. Now, how do you derma roll? So I will go 5 up and down, 5 times across the face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that. Like 5 times. Actually 10 times. I would do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's 3 variations. Up and down, side to side, diagonal, okay? So 10 times up and down. Now, side to side, across, 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, just go higher until you get all your face, then higher. Okay, make sure you get all the little spot, like right here, right here, you know. You want to get every spot. You want a full beard, right? So try to get every area. Don't just get the cheek and neglect the chin or the under lips. Do everywhere, okay? Now there's that. Oh yeah, diagonal. So you go like this. 1, 3, 4. Like this. And then once you progress with your beard and you notice any spot you want it to progress in more, just do it in that spot. It'll save more time, more effort. Rinse it with some water. Put alcohol on it if you could. I just don't have any, so. And plus, I'm pretty much done with this, so just put that shit away. Remember, derma roll 2 times a week, not 2 times a day, 2 times a week, okay? After your derma roll, Minoxidil right after. People say you shouldn't derma roll right after, you should wait. Bruh, honestly, I've seen better results applying the Minoxidil right after. There we go, 1 ml. Now I've seen a lot of people say like 5 drops across like each side of the face. Man, it do not matter, just make sure you get the liquid applied everywhere on the face. And you want to start off high. Don't start off here, because once you apply the Minoxidil, all of the liquid will be running down your face, you know, applying more coverage. And by the way guys, if you apply the Minoxidil right after derma roll, it's gonna hurt. That shit gonna sting, but mama ain't raised no bitch. And you wanna rub it in a circular motion. So start off high, let the liquid fall down, rub in a circular motion. So if it is your first time, and you apply it right after derma roll, after derma rolling, you're gonna be like, damn, that bitch hurt. And that bitch do hurt. But mama ain't raised no bitch. That shit ain't nothing but a sting, baby. That's pretty much it. Rub it in, let it dry. And then I pretty much sleep with it, I think, pretty sure, after 4 hours of it being applied. Then you can wash it off. I just stick with it 2 times a day, morning and night, preferably morning and night. That will make the most sense. And that's pretty much it, guys. You see the grows, baby? I'm telling you, this shit fucking work. You know oh my god, I put so many people on. I put my stepdad on. I put a couple of my homies on. And I'm telling you, one of my friends who actually stayed consistent with it, crazy gains. He had like a baby face, like that man looked like a baby butt. And now, man, he looked manly. So guys, it just helped you. Just look manly, look sexier, look like a fucking Chad. Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know by liking and subscribing, baby.
Sin City was amazing.